This is the Acer monitor that I purchased from Amazon 2 weeks ago. It worked beautifully out of the box. I connected it to my laptop. The colors were gorgeous. They mirrored my colors on my laptop beautifully. It was a wonderful experience. Just yesterday, so less than 2 weeks after purchasing, it is now a gray washout. I have fiddled with the HDMI cable. I have fiddled with the settings. I have fiddled online in terms of looking at the HDR, etc. settings. And I just got off with technical support, and they have confirmed that it is a hardware issue, that the monitor has broken within only 2 weeks of using. And there's not a great process, but I will have to find a box, figure out how to wrap it, and potentially ship it back. So that is the current reliability states of the Acer monitor. Here's the color loss that you can now clearly see between my laptop and the Acer monitor.